This will be the tutorial on an everbuilt from Home Depot ornamental thumb latch. If you can see, the instructions are very, very simple. There's no instructions other than getting this specific handle on and a couple of drill bits needed to put the handle on. Past that, you have nothing for the actual latch attachment. So it'll be my attempt to try and give a little bit of insight to it. Now for routing out to fit in this latch piece that connects to the handle here, I recommend using a 5/8 to go all the way through, and you have a 3/4 and an inch to come in at an angle for routing. That's so it's easy to slide through the 2x4 on this segment here. You'll see that later. Out of the bag you have a handle, you have a latch system, and you have some screws, which they don't identify in the manual. This is the latch system. So the first thing I do is determine where I want to set the latch. And I have the other piece here. I've shifted this piece back. Just so it's not extended too far out on this side. And then I determine where I want the latch. I want it to sit to the bottom side here. And so winds up being that location. After I've screwed a screw in just to set it, now I can mark out where I want the 5/8 hole to go through. I want it on the lower end of this long piece here. And then that will move the latch up and down. Post-installation notes: probably could have went with a 1/2 inch or a 3/8 over here. Would have tightened up this latch. The 1 inch worked well over here, gave a little bit of wiggle room for the latch system here. And that's all there is to installing the everbuilt from Home Depot ornamental latch system. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.